Hello, my name is Dave Buchanan. I'm with Mayberry Industrial Cleaning Equipment, a division of Mayberry Material Handling. And I'm here today to share with you the Factory Cat Aqueous Ozone ZerO3. We're going to walk through the system, how it works, and how it's going to benefit you in cleaning your facility. The ZerO3 Aqueous Ozone Chemical-Free Cleaning System. We first start by putting water only in the solution tank of the floor scrubber. You can add cleaning chemicals. They do not affect the ZerO3 system's function, but the chemical is not necessary. ZerO3 was designed as a chemical-free way of cleaning. So, we put water only into the solution tank, either port 1 or port 2. The water will then flow down through a filter located in the maintenance cabinet that you can see. It'll flow through over to your O3 control box. Here's a quick overview of how the system works. Water moves through the red venturi, creating a vacuum that draws air into the system. Air comes through the air dryer cylinder into the generators, where high amp electricity breaks down some of the O2 and recombines them as O3. Ozone. The ozone is now pulled through the venturi and injected into the water stream, going to the scrub deck. This process is similar to what happens during a lightning storm. Lightning creates ozone, it's trapped in the raindrops, and washes the earth. The after effect is the fresh air smell that we love after a big storm. When the system is activated, the light on the central command lights, and we see the lights on the box activate. The power that feeds the lights is the same power that activates the Corona generators. So, if the light's on, we know that the system is working. On the floor, aqueous ozone is oxidizing soils to break them down. Following the USDA and FDA protocol for dwell time, we can allow aqueous ozone to sit long enough to sanitize the surface. Even after we scrub, there is still ozone dissolved in the water as it sits in the recovery tank. It continues to break down soils and prevent bacteria growth that makes most scrubbers have a septic tank odor in the recovery tank. So, ZerO3 cleans your floor and cleans your squeegee, hoses, and recovery tank. ZerO3 is available in most Factory Cat walk-behind and rider scrubbers. Call Mayberry Material Handling to discuss your application. We would be happy to visit your facility to assess your needs and demonstrate this powerful technology.